Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Fairwood local and long-distance movers near me. Pursuing a dream job someplace new can be a life-changing opportunity. You should be excited and ready to explore a new city or state instead of worrying about packing or how you are going to move your stuff miles away. All you need to make your moving process simpler and easier is the help of a professional moving company. For more than 20 years, customers of Fairwood have been relying on 3 men and a truck for their moving needs. We are licensed and insured and have a stellar moving experience from packing to unloading your stuff at your place. Our moving team is expert at handling unexpected challenges and takes full responsibility to deliver your goods safely and securely at your new place. Hiring a Fairwood moving company for your local move will definitely make your moving day easier. You don't need to alter your plans or waste a whole weekend away to carry out your move. Instead, save your time and effort for other things that are more important than moving your stuff from one place to another. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fairwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.